Alright, just doing a quick video on installing the rear end axle bumper. This goes just above the drive line at the rear end. So I'll put it in. I just put a little bit of grease on it just to help it slide it in, and then it should lock in. Alright, here's the location. So here's where we're in, and then the drive line. And right here is where our little rubber bumper goes. So I'm going to line it up like that and stick that sucker on there. Okay, so you put it at an angle, get one of the notches in first, and then twist and push it up and see if you can snap that sucker in. Alright, there we go. Got it in. Pain in the butt. Recommend to install this before the rear end goes in, or if you have the car up on its side somewhere else, or if you just need a new one. It's just kind of pain in the butt. So do an angle. So put an angle at the rear end first, and then slide it in forward. Get the snap in, and don't forget the grease. I just used just white lithium grease. Nothing special.